If you own a drone, better think twice before taking it for a spin. After all, each drone is getting monitored mid-flight, and their ID are directly tied to the owner's identity. Too bad that over 80,000 drone ID were just exposed in a data leak. These ideas come from over 90 million drone monitoring logs generated by DJI devices, the largest market player in the world that sells both drones and devices to surveil them. And if the Cybernews research team managed to access these unprotected logs, anyone interested enough could do the same. The logs come from 66 different AeroScope devices, a drone monitoring devices manufactured by DJI, a Chinese technology company. However, the logs themselves were hosted by AWS and had no domains attached to them. Cybernews didn't manage to track the owners of the US-hosted database, but notified AWS itself. Over 54 gigabytes of exposed logs contained the drone's position, model, and serial number, the position of the drone's pilot, and the takeoff location. Considering that many people just launch drones from the comfort of their backyards, these logs potentially reveal the location of people and the model of their drones, which could be very expensive. It's a golden opportunity for criminal elements. While it's clear that surveillance of drones is inevitable, taking into account military application of those devices, the gathered data has to be kept in secure databases. The data revealed in these logs could pose danger to both hobbyists and military objects relying on using drones.